Yay, Corey Feldman in the house. Tell us what you're doing here in New York.
It's really an honor. I've been very, very blessed to have a new friendship with Jordan Peele. I don't know, it's been this weird courtship, this weird, strange fellowship that's come along because he was an admirer of my work. We became friends, we traded numbers, we started texting, and eventually I invited him over to my house to watch a film of mine called The Birthday, which is my proudest achievement. It is the thing that I celebrate as the kind of centerpiece of my acting career. And the sad shame of it, the kind of tragedy in it, like a Romeo and Juliet, is that it's never been released in the United States. It's never been seen by American audiences. There's never been an opportunity for one person to go buy a ticket and see it in a theater. So what's happening is something that I always anticipated but never expected. Jordan Peele himself calls a cinematic masterpiece. He says, you know, everybody needs to see this film because we took the time to bother, you know, and it's really great. I mean, it really is brilliant. And the thing is, nobody ever had a chance, and it was seen in other countries. It was seen in Spain. It was seen in Germany. It's won many awards. It won the Best Art Direction. I won Best Actor in Luxembourg. So, you know, it's gotten a lot of achievements and acclaim in other places, but I feel like the powers that be were afraid of me ascending. And to prevent me from ascending, there was a certain effort made to make sure that this never got the light of day. And I feel like Jordan has broken through that shield and made it happen anyway.
And where can people see it tomorrow here in New York?
Well, where you can see it is all you got to do is just come on down to the Lincoln Center, the historic landmark Lincoln Center. No better place in New York to see a film. It is playing tomorrow twice, 2 screenings, 6:30 and 9:15. And if you come to the 6:30 one, I'll be doing an introduction, and the brilliant director, Eugenio Mira, is flying in from Spain for this very special event. So him and I will introduce the film together, and at the end of the film, we will be doing a Q&A. So that's only for the first screening, though. Second screening, we will introduce as well, and we're going to watch the film. So we will stick around till the end and probably be able to say hi to a few people and things like that. I believe this is my finest work.